Hello everyone. The Comau new welding gun is a patent spot welding gun that set a new global standard in simplicity, reliability, flexibility and cost efficiency. The single body architecture covers a complete range of welding guns, support both X and C model, requiring no changes between standard and the force application, reducing warehouse complexity and the number of spare parts. The replaceable parts are directly accessible, allowing a drastic reduction on maintenance costs with an MTTR of only 10 minutes. Additionally, the new welding gun features a fast arm exchange, a universal mounting option, and the ability to keep it with the different types of actuator and transformers. Furthermore, the new welding gun has been designed for sustainability, thanks to the advanced cooling system that ensure minimal water pressure loss and a new generation of transformer that reduces the energy consumption.